Dude, I wasn't moving it. Told you.
That's probably the best bass of the day. Looks like it.
Nice. Same old size. Told you. Using a wacky rig like a night crawler.
He got you. He might have stole it that time.
No, it's in there. It's in there.
No, I mean.
Oh shit.
That's the first.
That might be a bad hook set. That's a bad hook set. I don't want to kill him. He might end up getting. Let me see if I can figure it out. Better turn off the camera for this. Husky jerk. Ooh.
Oh, that looks pretty good.
Pulling out some line there. Oh yeah, not bad. Not too bad here. Oop.
A little chunkier than the last one.
Do we have a pair of pliers out?
I think I might have one pretty readily accessible.
Not too bad. On the husky jerk, first one. Thank you. First one for the day here. On the husky jerk. Ooh, you really got it good, man, at the top of the head here. Wow. Shit. I don't know. There we go. I'll get that out. Nice little healthy fish. Back to the water you go. Well, dude, they're out there.
I know.
It's just, it might be a little tougher to catch them today even. I don't know why. Maybe because it's the water's colder and we're drifting into bad rocks. Sean, what do you got? Pickerel. Let's get it on film here, buddy. Nice. Trolling.
I thought it was more or less a waste of time more than anything.
Trolling? No, a lot of times it works. Good job, man. Yeah, no
really got himself good.
Yeah.
There's the one.
He's aggressive.
He got all three
hooks
on the treble.
Wow.
You know, I wasn't gonna lose this fucking thing.
All right. Had to change batteries, but
not a bad set.
Pickerel in the boat. That's third fish of the day, and it's kind of early, so we're doing good. All right, return them to the depths of the Mauch Chunk Lake.
Oh.
Ooh, he tried to get you on the last go, man. Fish on. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Got ourselves a bass here, guys. Let's see, got him. All right. First one on the wacky rig. A little bit better than a dink. I mean, kind of a dink, but still not bad. Nice healthy fish. There you go, buddy.
Yeah. Definitely always a good time out on the old fishing mystery.
All right, now. All right, your opinion of the Pelican Bass Raider 10E as far as a fishing platform goes?
As far as a fishing platform goes, I think it's pretty good because really it's simple to move around. It's not like a bigger sized boat. Like if you really needed to, two people could just pick it up and throw it in any kind of trailer.
Yeah, and on top of that, it goes in pretty shallow waters.
Yeah.
So
well, it's not a V-cut boat.
Yeah.
That's the thing. You could pretty much glide over a lot of different
Right.
structures underneath the water.
And this is the 1 year anniversary of the boat, technically, because I bought it last October. I got a couple rounds of fishing in, and of course this whole year, although the weather has been lousy, really lousy, I still got some fishing in. So overall, though, it's been a pretty good year, I guess. I learned some things. Total fishing misfit disaster happened before. I broke my rod tip on simply trying to put the hook on here. I guess I bent it over too much and snapped it. Total dumb mistake. I mean, the rod's pretty sensitive, so now I don't know, but I'm thinking about just putting a, like an eye up here, one of these ends, and seeing if I could salvage the rod. But I'm probably going to buy a new one.
I would say you could definitely salvage.
I mean, I don't know how good it is.
For the most part.
Phone call. Oh, fish on. Pickerel.
Yep.
Pickerel. Okay, pickerel master. Look at that hook set again, buddy. Once again. Whoa. Nice.
He's a feisty one.
Got a little bloody lip there from the hook set.
Yeah.
All right.
Well, I think it's because he shook it off. Tore himself open. That's probably bigger than the last one.
Yeah, a little bit maybe.
I know he's definitely like stronger.
I'll tell you what, that time I actually kind of felt it, and then I set the hook. You know what I mean?
Oh, really?
Yeah, well, you know how wacky rigs are. You know,
You don't even know.
I don't even know what's going on. All right, dude. Dude, I wasn't moving it. Told you.
That's probably the best bass of the day. Looks like it.
Nice. Same old size. Told you. Using a wacky rig like a night crawler.
He got you. He might have stole it that time.
What's in there?